Good evening, friends. Today is 8th of May 2023. Today was a very interesting and beautiful day for all the traders because we had a nice uptrend in the market early in the morning. And as you can see, we had this is our first candle. This is our opening candle. Market opened somewhere around Bank Nifty 42,800 level. Then जैसे market खुलते ही there was a huge buying pressure. I was expecting at least this gap area to be filled first, but it did not happen so, and market completely uptrend. So I waited. I didn't take an entry. I didn't make any entry early in the morning, but I waited. At least I was thinking let the market at least settle for some time. But it was a completely upward momentum, and when these first two in the 5 minutes time frame, these two candles are completely green. You can see it's exactly closing above this area, and when this level came at this is where I took my first entry. I'll just show it to you. So you can see I've taken a call of 43,000 and roughly about 85 points I was able to capture. Out here I took an entry out here and I exited somewhere around here. Now the reason why I exit around here is that if you see, if you draw this Fibonacci retracement, use Fibonacci retracement, and if you see out here, if you use the Fibonacci retracement, if you see 0.5, which is a very important area as far as Fibonacci retracement area is concerned. So exactly at this level I had drawn the line, and market went up till here. I put a stop loss at this level, and my trailing stop loss got hit, and I was able to capture about 85 points. So after that, you can see there was some trading that happened in this area. The market went up. After my stop loss got hit, the market did go up, but it doesn't matter. It came down and it took a support at this level again, and the market came up. Now, if you see, I've taken a second entry, that is put 42,200 put company right here. Now the reason, and you can see I made a profit about 370 rupees. That's just about 15 points. Now I'll tell you the reason why I took an entry in this area. So now if you see out here, if you draw this trend line, if you draw from here, this, now if you draw this, again if you draw this from here, and if you draw this from here. Now what is happening out here is that you can see there's a double top formation. So whenever there is a double top formation, it's likely that the market is going to fall, and that's the reason when there was this big red candle, there was a little bit of buying, and again when sellers are more active, I took an entry at this level. And market came till here. I was expecting that I was thinking the market may reach this level. It may take a pullback from here, or it may further continue its journey downtrend. But market retraced from this level itself. So somewhere around here, I made an exit from that trade and was able to capture about 15 points from that trade. So that's why you can see a profit of about 370 rupees. Now the third trade is very interesting. That's the reason why I took this trade, is that market was market was in a consolidation mode after that, because you can see at this level, this is the first 955, this level that we have reached the whole day, at least till about 150, we were just trading in this area. So I'll just draw this line for you. You can see we are trading in this area. But another interesting part, what was happening is that the market was going up, you can see out here, and market was giving a closing out here. I'll just mark this level for you, so you can see out here, and you can see out here, and you can see out here as well. So now what is happening is that this level is respecting this area. That means the closing that we are having is above every zone. You can see first we get a pullback from here, second pullback from this level, third, fourth. Now also what is happening out here is that if you, I'll just draw a line, trend line for you, you'll understand it in a much better way. Now if you join these two trend line, now what is happening out here is that the market is squeezing. So you can see out here, every time it's getting smaller and smaller, it's getting tighter and tighter. And whenever this kind of formation takes place, usually you can see like a flag, a pole we say, you can see this pole and you can see this flag and pole pattern. We are likely to see a breakout, and that's why we saw a breakout from here. And as soon as we got a breakout out there, I made an entry at 43,300 call on the right here. And you can see this huge green candle. But now you can see I've just been able to capture only about 6 points. The reason because this is the target area that I had kept. This was my target. I was expecting the market at least to touch this level and come back. So I was waiting because I had already made a decent profit in the morning, almost about 2,000 plus. So I was expecting market to go till here, and I was taking the gamble of waiting waiting for my target to get hit. But unfortunately, market retraced from this area, this consolidation area, and it came down. And this two candle, the fall was very, very quick. I was not expecting the market to give a fall, so sudden fall, because we lost almost about 150 points in this 5 minutes candle. So आप देख सकते हैं, this trading that has happened since morning, almost this candle, 10:25 से लेकर 2:10. So almost about 4 hours of trading that took place was covered by these two candles in 10 minutes. So that was how quick the fall was. So that's the reason I was able to, I had to exit very, very quickly, and I was able to capture only about 6 points. But originally, when the Bank Nifty was trading at this level, the profit it was showing was almost about 1,500 to 1,600 rupees. So the profit was really good, but I decided to wait, and I exited just about 6 points above my buying level. So that is the trade that I took, and that was the logic behind the trades that I took. After that, you see some consolidation, again huge fall, again huge green candle. I don't see any logic behind this candle formation, so I completely avoided these two candles, and you can see that that's the three trade that I've taken. So now if you see Nifty also similar story, opened somewhere about 18,120 level, buying pressure instantly. Then you can see at this area where last consolidation and breakout happened, it went up, and when it took a resistance, when it faced a resistance at this level, 18,217 level, you can see exactly at this level, it came back, and again this zone acted as a support. It went up, broke this level, again consolidation, but every time Bank Nifty was coming down, it was taking this resistance, was now acting as a support, and it was taking a support out here, and finally it went all the way up. We saw a lot of consolidation happening for almost about 3 hours in the evening, and we got a closing about 18,264 level. So again, good day for Bank Nifty and Nifty after the fall we had last Friday, a huge fall, but now we have seen a pretty decent recovery in both Bank Nifty and Nifty. So we'll see the daily time frame and see what exactly is happening. As you can see, Bank Nifty, a huge green candle, but again what I would say is that if it breaks this level and sustains this level 42,600, we may see some fresh buying, and we may see the Bank Nifty moving further uptrend. So maybe tomorrow we may see some candles still being formed within this area, or possibility is that it may break out, but I'm expecting another 2-3 days to travel in to trade in this area. And if Bank Nifty breaks this level 40,500, then we may see a level at 41,900. But if this level breaks, then we may see a sharp selling, and Bank Nifty may fall very, very quickly. But again, seeing the present scenario, we see completely buying market. So I don't see Bank Nifty falling in this area, but I would expect rather Bank Nifty to hit somewhere about 44,150 level in the coming few days. So let's see about Nifty. Nifty also, you can see huge buying candle. Nifty very, very positive, and Nifty has a long way to travel to its previous high. But now what we have to see is that Nifty has given a closing above this level. You can see the green candle. So I'm expecting Nifty at least to be more positive tomorrow as well and continue its journey uptrend. We can see the first target at 18,410, 18,660, and furthermore 18,900 in the coming days or weeks. So that's the target for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So, and if Nifty breaks this level, then we may see a selling pressure. First target 17,850, next 17,690, 17,550 would be our third target. But again, seeing the present scenario and how Nifty and Bank Nifty which is trading, I don't see this level coming very soon, but I expect rather Bank Nifty to move upward and at least reach these targets that I've mentioned earlier. So friends, that was how Bank Nifty and Nifty trading went today. We were able to close our terminal in green and roughly about 2,670. That's the profit that we made today. Pretty decent. We're trading with one lot. And so guys, if you have any questions regarding Bank Nifty, Nifty and any stocks, you can please feel free to comment and ask me in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to help you with that. So till then, you all have a great evening and see you all tomorrow.